Good day and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get WordPress premium templates since you can easily use for your design. So if this is your first time watching my video, can you please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video on how to get started. Okay, let's dive into it. We are going to make use of Telegram to get premium templates you can easily use for WordPress account. So first thing you have to do is log into your Telegram account, either your desktop or maybe you're using your phone or anything you're using. Just log into your desktop account or Telegram account. So as you can use my Telegram account. So if this is your first time, then you just have to log into your Telegram account. Then look for a search bar, which is the search bar option that you normally search for whenever I want to search for anything on Telegram. Then search for five premium templates. So as you can see, Shopify premium templates. It's not like maybe like trying to make it a Shopify bots. In these Shopify premium templates, since they have a lot of WordPress things that normal drop whenever you join their group. So click on the 35 one. You want to start with 35 subscribers, then click on join. So so these are the list of the templates they have yeah, on the channel. So you just have to search for the one you're looking for. So as you can see, like I said, don't need to worry maybe if you are into Shopify paintings. They also offer WordPress latest version thing also. As you can see, you just have to click on it and download it. So that's how it works. So in case you want to search for anything maybe you have a specific thing you want to download, you can just search for it in the group then it will bring it out. So another way to search for what is it called? WordPress paintings, like search for WordPress themes and plugins. So these are that we can easily search for it again. So what you just have to do is join the channel and then you search for the thing you are looking for, or we are also looking for what's it called plugin also. As you can see, this is the download. So think for SEO, SEO line, SEO and digital marketing agency. You can just click on it. So it brings you to the page where you're going to download it. So and in case you don't know how to download, you can just message them in the group that okay, you are having issues with download the link. They show you on how to download. In case there are some that they are not easily people, they have like discount on it that is get it. So like it's low amounts of budget. So that's how it works. So if you really enjoy my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Good day and thanks for watching.